I was gonna make videos, but you know, like I don't have fancy equipment and stuff. So I need fancy equipment first. No, you don't. You don't need the fancy equipment first. So fancy equipment is not your problem. I always recommend to my clients to start with what you have and then upgrade as you go. Invest time in making sure that video is the way that you want to go. First things first is all about taking action. Action is the most important thing. So start with what you have and start taking action. Start making those imperfect videos. Start creating them and then making a better version of each video that you create. Equipment is not the issue. So grab whatever you have and start making videos right now. My challenge for you is to, and I guarantee you have a camera within 3 feet of you right now. It's true. This camera was within 3 feet of me. This camera. There's cameras everywhere. Pick that camera up and start making a video. Whether you share this video with anybody is totally up to you. The idea is that you need to start somewhere. Everybody starts with their first terrible 100 videos and then they get better from there. I guarantee, go back and look at any channel that you watch here on YouTube. Don't do it to mine. And look at their first video. You will be delightfully surprised when you see how imperfect it is compared to where they are now. But I guarantee you they did not get to where they are now on their video journey because they waited for the right equipment. They made every video and just kept going. And that is the idea here. Equipment is not the issue. It is lack of action. If you have a desire or a passion to create great content, do not let anything stand in your way. Do not allow yourself to stay small or stuck. Because at the end of the day, you can have videos or you can have excuses, and you get to choose which one you want. So I challenge you, go grab your camera. Let's do this. Go do it. Make a video. Post it somewhere. Tag me. I will happily watch it and share some support and love for you because I am excited to see when people take action when it comes to their videos. So let me know what you do. Leave me comments down below. If you have questions about anything, feel free to ask away. I'm here and happy to help. And remember, you're someone's reason to smile. So don't give up. Bam. Bam, done. Okay. Next up.